Hi, I'm Dave with Bretz RV here in Missoula, and talking today about the 2021 the Passport 229 RK. So Passport is a real high quality line. They're a lighter weight built trailer. And so on the inside of the wall here, you have a full aluminum structure, and then all of that is filled with block foam insulation. And then these walls are completely vacuum bonded together. So essentially from the inside wallboard all the way to this fiberglass out here, that wall is one piece of material. And what that does is it amps up using the layering effect to make it even more winter ready for you. And then underneath, they completely seal the underbellies. That way the heat is enclosed down there in the tank area. Moving up front here a little bit, one thing they do really well, great big pass-through storage. A lot of times these are maybe half that size and it goes all the way through so you can get to it, you know, from either side and keep all the stuff with you. But a couple little things right off the top, instead of a little plastic clip, has a magnet. So if you have things in your hands, you can just put them up there. And then it also has a slam latch. So you don't have to mess with the little twist locks on the corner there. So on the front, a power tongue jack instead of a manual. And if you think yourself on a camping trip and every time you put it on and off the truck, you got to crank and crank and crank, you're probably going to do that a half a dozen times, you know, pulling into spots, this and that. This way you can literally just push a button on and off. And then kind of tying with that, underneath down here, we have the automated stabilizer jacks. So again, instead of having to take a handle to each side and crank, you can push the button and these are gonna go down as a set and stabilize that out for you. All right, well, welcome to the inside. I want to just give you some of the highlights here. A nice separated bedroom. And this actually has the hard sliding doors. So, you know, if somebody is gonna try to go to bed early or sleep in a little bit, it gives you half a chance. And then a queen size walk around bed, and that's important because you can get to both sides, nobody's trapped. And underneath there, we've got really nice storage. And one thing I always try to point out, this storage is separate from that outside storage we looked at. So if you got the fishing poles out there and you got the sleeping bags in here, you know, you're not gonna have those issues. And then a couple of really nice full-size hanging closets. Because even though you're camping, there's some stuff you want to be able to keep, you know, not packed in the suitcase. We move over here, and these are actually theater seats. And they're right across from the TV. And so, you know, a heck of a lot more comfortable than just having a regular couch. It's one of the most popular features, actually. You know, moving back, it's kind of in behind us, but this is an RK or a rear kitchen model. And so anytime they can do anything basically in this much space is where they can get the maximum counter space. And counter space in RVs is always important. So you have a nice area here behind the cooktop, and then a great big single basin, but it is a stainless steel, you know, not a plastic sink. Kind of jockeying around here, but if you can take a look in the bathroom, that's an actual step-in shower with the skylight, so somebody who's a little bit taller, but that skylight lets in a lot of nice light, but also to have a window here. You don't see very many RV bathrooms that actually have the window. So again, this is the 2021 Passport, the 229 RK, and my name's Dave. I'd love to have the chance to meet you here at the dealership and even go through some more features on this trailer, but you can also visit us at bretzrv.com. And thanks for watching.